see that what is cardinality of set and the power set, and a few examples on this. Okay, so I will start with what is cardinality of set. So let capital A is our set. Right? Capital A is a set. The cardinality of set is denoted by this way. Okay, is mod ratio. Cardinality of A. This is nothing but equal to the number of elements in that set. Number of elements in capital A. Okay, so as an example, let's say A is a set which contains the element. 5 elements are there, 1, 2, 4, 7 and 8. So cardinality of A is equal to 5. So this is straight away, that is the number of elements in that set. There is nothing but the cardinality of the set. Okay, now we'll see the power set. Power set. Okay, so capital A be a set, then power set of A. Then power set of A is denoted by capital P of A. Okay, capital P of A. And this is nothing but equal to, this is a set. Power set is a set which contains all possible subset of that set. Power set of A contains all possible subset of set capital A. All possible subset of the set capital A. As an example, and one more thing, that is the cardinality of power set of A, that is the number of elements in power set of A, is equal to 2 raised to cardinality of that set capital A. 2 raised to cardinality of that set capital A. Okay. So it's an example. Let's say A is a set with the element as a small a. One element is there. Cardinality of capital A is 1. Okay. Now power set of A is what? That is all possible subset of this set capital. So all possible subset of this set, we'll first see the all possible subset. Okay. This complete A, the complete A set is a subset of capital A. Next, phi. Phi is the element that is belongs to any set, right? So phi is also the subset of capital A, and this complete A is also the possible subset of it. So power set of A is equal to a set which contains all possible subset of that set. Okay. So now cardinality of A is 1, right? So cardinality of power set of A is what? That is 2 raised to 1. That is 2. 1 and 2. Okay. So this is the power set. So let's say capital A is a set with the element AB, right? So all possible subset of this capital A is this particular set is a subset of capital A. This particular, that is the set with the element B, is also the subset of capital A. Now this complete A is also the subset of capital A, and the last element, that is the phi, empty set, that is also the subset of capital A. So this is nothing but the all possible subset of capital A, and that is our power set of capital A, right? And cardinality of power set of A is equal to, that is the 2 raised to number of elements, that is 2, is equal to 4. For cardinality of A is, where cardinality of A is 2. Likewise, if element A contains 3 elements, set A contains 3 elements, then power set of A will contain total 2 raised to 3, that is total 8 elements. Okay. So this is the power set and the cardinality of the set. Now we'll see few examples on this. Determine the power set of the following. Determine the power set of the following. Determine power set of the following. First is a set which contains this two element 5 comma a set of 5, set which contains a 5. So this is our capital A. Now power set of A will contain obviously 4 elements. Okay, so all possible subset of this particular first element, this is the second element within the set I wrote, right? Next is the complete A. Complete A is the 5. This complete A is also the subset of A, and last is the 5. So this is the power set of the given set. Okay. Another example, that is a capital B is a set which contains only one element, that is a set of A. This is the capital B is given. Now power set of B is, so there will be a set which contains this one element, that is the set of A. Now cardinality of B is what? 1. Cardinality of B is what? 1. That is the set which contains the element A. Now power set of B will contains two elements, right? So that are this complete set B and 5. This will be the two element of this. Two elements will contain power set of B. Okay. So this is the two examples. We'll see a few more examples. Let's find cardinality of each set. So cardinality of this set is what? 1. Question is find cardinality of following set. Okay. I will write down all the examples first. Within the set 5, this is the one element, and another next one is 5 in bracket 5. Okay. So cardinality of this particular set is 1. Cardinality of, sorry, this will be like this. Cardinality of this particular set is a 1. Okay. Cardinality of this set is 2. This will be the cardinality of this set is 3. Complete one element for this power set, because power set definition is what? It contains all possible subset of that given set. Okay. So this is a possible subset, this one is possible subset, this particular element is also the power subset. Next 5. Now this 5, cardinality of this 5 is a 0. Okay. Now see, the 5 is what actually 5, or you can denote it by a bracket open and close. There is no any element in this. 5 is nothing but the empty set, right? No any element. So the cardinality of the 5 is 0. I will mention this cardinality symbol. Now cardinality of this set is what? This is 1, 2 and Cardinality of this set is 3. Okay, so we'll move to the next example. The question is that determine the following. Determine following. First one, that is a minus. Here at the start, a set is given. At the start, state is given. That is a is equal to 5 comma b. These are the two elements of this set, capital A, 5 comma b. First is asked, that is a minus 5. I will list the first problem. Second is in curly bracket 5 minus a. Third one is a union power set of a. Fourth one is a intersection power set of a. Now first, that is a minus 5. A minus 5. The result of this will be what? A set which contains the element only b. Now this first two question is that is of the difference of the sets. That one of the operation we have seen in the previous lecture. Now second, that is the 5 minus a. A set which contains the element 5 minus a. Right? So this will remove this particular from this. So what it will remain? It remains in an empty set. It will get remain as an empty set. Okay. So next is that is the A union power set of A. So to compute this, first we need to find out power set of A. Right. So I will compute here only that. So this is the A set. Now power set of A is all possible subset of this set. So it contains this first element. This particular subset is a subset. Particular set is a subset of capital A. This is also a possible subset. Next, complete set capital A, that is 5 comma b, and at the end that is the element 5. Now union of these two. If you will observe that it will contain this all 4 elements plus this particular element b. All elements plus particular element b. So A union power set of A is this 5 b. Instead of writing this, you can write capital A as well. No problem. The complete set capital A, 5 and the element b. And the element b, that is the A union power set of A. Now last one is that is the intersection. So intersection of these two. Common element in between these two. So that will contain the only 5. That is, this is the element which is common in between both of the set. So the result will be what? It is a set which contains the element 5 as a result of the A intersection power set of A. Okay. So don't be confused here. This is what 5, and 5 is nothing but equal to, or you can write this set without any element. Set without any element. Okay. So now last example on this. Determine whether each of this set is the power set of any power set of a set. Determine whether following is set is given, right? Set is given as a question, and it is asked that whether each of these set is the power set of a set. So first, that is simplify. Is this particular set is a power set of any set? That is the question. Next, A. Sorry, 5 is there. 5 and in a set A. Next is three elements, phi, a set of A, and this combination of these two, phi and A. And fourth one is the four element, phi A B. So obviously A B will not be there because power set is a subset of all possible subsets, not elements. Okay, so these are the four is given. Okay, so this is first is a power set of any set. Okay, the answer is no. Okay, second, this is yes. Now for which set this is the power set? So set will be what? A set which contains the element A. For this set, this is the power set, right? Now for this, sorry, I forget to mention here this. Now this set is power set of any set. Just go and cross check. Just see that it's no. This is particular set is not a power set of any set. Last one, yes, it is a power set, and the set is what? A comma B. For this set, this one is the power set. For this set, this one is the power set. This is the power set is given. This is the power set is given, but there is no any set for to have this as a power set. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. So this one is the power set.